Namaste, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Arjun Siveej of class 6 studying in BRBNMPL MYSURU. Today I am going to explain you what is Eclipse and demonstrate an eco-friendly working model of solar and lunar eclipse. Eclipse, the planet which we live, is called the Earth. The spinning moment of the Earth on its own axis is called the rotation. At the same time, the Earth moves around the Sun in an elliptical path and it's called its revolution. When the Earth moves around the Sun with its natural satellite moon, sometimes the Sun, the Earth and the Moon comes in a straight line. Such that the situation is called an eclipse. Now we are going to discuss about lunar eclipse. On a special full moon night, the Sun, the Earth and the Moon comes in a straight line, such that the shadow of the Earth falls on the Moon. This is called lunar eclipse. On lunar eclipse, the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. When the Moon passes through the darker part of the shadow, that is umbra, then the eclipse is total lunar eclipse. But when the Moon passes through the lighter part of the shadow, that is penumbra, then the eclipse is partial lunar eclipse. During the total lunar eclipse, the Moon seems to be red. It is also called the blood moon. Now we can view the lunar eclipse from the top of this box. Now we are seeing total lunar eclipse. On total lunar eclipse, the Moon seems to be red. It is also called the blood moon. Now we are going to discuss about solar eclipse. On a special new moon day, the Sun, the Moon and the Earth comes in a straight line, such that the shadow of the Moon falls on the Earth. On the solar eclipse, the Moon comes between the Sun and the Earth. The shadow of Moon consists of a darker part called the umbra and the lighter part called the penumbra. If the Sun is not completely covered by the Moon, then this is called partial solar eclipse. If we see the Sun completely covered by the Moon, then this is called total solar eclipse. When the Moon appears slightly smaller than the Sun and cannot completely cover the Sun, then this is called annular solar eclipse. Hence the Sun appears as a very bright ring or annulus. Now we can view the solar eclipse through this hall. Now we are seeing partial solar eclipse. This bright ring of sun is seen during annular solar eclipse. Now we all learned eclipse through fun. Thank you.